Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install GA4 site search tracking for e-commerce step by step clearly. To install GA4 site search tracking for your e-commerce site, start by logging into your Google Analytics account. Navigate to the admin section at the bottom left corner. In the property column, select your GA4 property. Click on Data Streams, then choose the relevant data stream for your website. Scroll down to the Enhanced Measurement section. Ensure that Enhanced Measurement is turned on. Now, locate the Search Page Query Parameters setting. If it's not visible, click on the gear icon to edit settings. Add your site's search query parameter. Common parameters include S, search, or Q, but consult your website documentation for specifics. Once you've added the parameter, click Save. Next, to verify that tracking is set up correctly, open your website in another tab. Conduct a test search on your site using the search function. Return to your GA4 interface and go to the debug view. If everything is functioning properly, you should see events populating in real time. After confirming that data is flowing into GA4, wait a day or two for the data to appear in your reports. To analyze site search behavior, navigate to the engagement section in GA4. Look for the events or conversions to find your search data. Finally, utilize these insights to enhance your e-commerce strategy and improve user experiences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.